guys, you know?
We don't even hang out anymore. We're barely ever together as a group.
Maybe you just got a little stuck after high school.
I did not peak in high school. I have cancer.
We're gonna be here by your side through all of this.
Friends to the end. Not that you're gonna die soon.
Did the doctor say it was from me? We didn't know not to smoke when we were pregnant. It was a different time.
I never should have taken hallucinogenics, though.
Aren't you fetching?
Well, thank you, thank you.
Were you hitting on me in a support group?
They did it in Fight Club.
Having you guys around me a lot is so important to me. We are having fun tonight.
I cannot believe we used to do this all the time. I feel sorry for every one of us. Rough night?
I think so. I need you to pull over. I have to tell you something. I love you too. No, it's not that. I did something wrong. Very wrong.
If you're looking for sympathy, you're not gonna find it here.
What's wrong with me?
You care about your friends to a psychotic degree.
Hey, don't freak out. I just want to talk to you. See, I'm sorry.